Welcome to Modern Shiksha. My name is Ayush, and in this video, we are going to learn something interesting about class 11 accounting. In this video, we are going to learn accounting equation of class 11. In this video, I have bring the collection of very important questions of accounting equation. All the questions are related to accounting equation and are very important according to examination point of view. I hope you will find this video both informative and entertaining. So let's dive in. Today in this video we are going to solve these problems individually. For each question there will be each format. So let's do it. Problem is paid rent Rs 20,000 and advance rent Rs 5,000. I don't know how many of you watched our previous video. In that video we have talked about this question. The question is exactly same, but there is difference in money. Paid rent, it means we have paid money. How much? Minus 20,000. Minus 20,000 as cash. And advance rent. Advance is equals to prepaid. And we know prepaid always lies in balance sheet in assets column. So prepaid of how much? 5,000. It means post 5,000 as prepaid is equals to, as expenses are deducted from the capital, so we should deduct minus 15,000 as rent from capital, and there will be zero effect in liabilities, and particular will be paid rent which includes prepaid, and our final equation will be minus plus is equals to minus. So minus how much? 15,000 is equals to minus 15,000 plus 0, and we will draw a line here. Our problem number 1 is solved. If you don't know how did I did that, then make sure to watch our previous video. Let's move on to problem number B. Problem number B is saying paid salary Rs 15,000. It means we have already paid 15,000. It means we have to deduct 15,000 from asset side as cash is equals to, look, still payable. Payable is equals to outstanding, and outstanding always lies in the balance sheet in the liabilities column. So we have to add 5,000 as payable. In liability side we have to add 5,000 in the liability side as payable, and we have paid salary of 15,000. Yeah, and we have to deduct 20,000 from capital as expense, because at last we have to pay the sum of 20,000 to the staff. So it means our expense will be 20,000. Paid salary and still payable. And our final equation will be minus 15,000 is equals to, look here, the minus sign is greater than positive sign. It means 20,000 minus 5,000 will be 15,000, and there will be negative sign as well. 15,000 plus 0. Let's move on to third question, and our third question is interest received on capital. This is one of the very important questions, so look, so understand it carefully. See number. We received interest, which means we received interest on capital either at capital of Rs 1 lakh of either 10%. 10% of 1 lakh is 10,000. So we have got interest as money, and we can add 10,000 as cash in the asset column. And at the same time, this is very interesting. Look, okay, our 10,000 is income, and also our 10,000 is expense. You are getting it or no? Sorry, there will be zero effect in asset side because we have received income on capital. We have not received cash till now. We have received only income. It is showing us details, but it does not contain in our bank account or cash account. So there will be zero effect. In liabilities, interest received on capital, and our final equation will be 0 is equals to plus minus 0 plus 0. Let's draw a line here. And our two questions are remaining, so try to solve them. I had prepared my formulas, so let's dive in. Dividend received on securities are as 1,500. D number, we have received dividend of RS 1,500, so we should add 1,500 as cash, and in capital we have to add 1,500 as income because dividend is income. So dividend received on securities, and our final equation will be 1,500 is equals to 1,500 plus 0. Let's draw a line here. Okay. Our last question is prepaid salary R is 4,500. Prepaid salary, it means we have paid how much amount of money? 4,500 as cash, and prepaid will always add in asset column, so prepaid. As salary is our, there will be zero effect on capital, there will liabilities, it will be 0. Our final equation will be 0 is equals to 0 plus 0. So students, these are our some interesting and very important topics that we should learn while learning accounting equations. I hope you enjoyed this series and learned very much from this series. I hope you will support me like this, how you are doing that. So from now we are officially completing or finishing this series. Inquiry related to accounting equation, then don't forget to mail me. I will guarantee you to fulfill your demand. So bye bye, have a safe day.